Alright, so was the last video we finished creating the admins. I know, but there's something really important that we forgot to do which is basically um validating, validating using the requests. So the user can, or the admin can simply just go ahead and create an admin, and now without even entering any one of those right here, you can just click on create, without entering any one of this data, and it will trigger this error right away. So because we cannot leave any one of those null. All right, so we want to go ahead and we want to go to the user's controller right here, and we can pick up this request right here, and this will allow us to simply validate. All right, so you want to paste this down there, and we only have like email, after the name, and we have the password. So we're gonna keep those, we're going to keep those required, and we're going to keep them maximum 40 characters. This is also required, maximum 40 characters, and this is simply required. All right, and we're going to also display the messages if this guy left if this guy left in one of those inputs empty. We can go ahead and we can display the messages inside the front end. So we want to go to users, and we want to go the edit details, for example, and we can just go ahead and copy this and close, and we can just go to create admins right here, and we can go down at the bottom of this and paste. So this will be email right here. All right, so this will also be email. All right, this is actually name email. All right, so yeah, great. Let's go also down here and paste. This will be name, and let's copy this. Let's also paste it right here. All right, password right here and password also. Let's save. Let's now just go ahead and refresh this. All right, so if we just click on create right here. All right, so as you can see, the email field is required, the name field is required, the password is required, and if we go to the admins, basically not going to insert anything, unless we actually enter something. So yeah, we should actually do this to any kind of form. We should do the request in the controller right here, and we should also do validate the front and send these messages and so on. So yeah, let's go ahead now and proceed with our own project, and let's go ahead and work with the categories. So we better fix the link. So this is done, and this is also done. So let's go down here, and let's grab this. Let's copy and paste right here. All right, so this will be display dash categories, for example. All right, so as you can see, admins controller, this will be display categories right here. All right, so display for the name dot categories, like that. All right, so let's copy this and save this whole thing. Well, let's just go ahead. All right, at the layouts, and if we go to admin.blade right here, let's go down at the bottom. Well, not at the bottom, just up there. And let's go ahead right here, and we can just go route display.categories right here. All right, so let's copy this function, and we can go down at the bottom. Let's paste. Let's copy this function right here, and we go down at the bottom and cut this and paste right here. So return view admins dot display all right, display dash categories. All right, so it's just, we need first actually grab all the categories that we have. So this will be categories, and let's grab the data from the category model. So we're just gonna go all like that. All right, so compact, let's save, copy. All right, so we need to go ahead and we need, we can set up actually a new categories folder, but we already have one right here. So what do you think? Should we keep them all in one folder, which is admins? All right, we can keep them all in one folder, which is admins. So let's just copy this and we will create our blade file. So this will be blade.php. All right, let's now go to our own design. Let's pick this. So this is categories-admins, and if we go to show-categories right here, let's just copy this whole thing. Let's go right here and paste this. All right, so just save. Let's go ahead and pick this up and paste this right here. All right, and section, save. And if we try refresh this, all right, so there we go again. Now it's crazy that we're gonna actually we need to run this. All right, so let's refresh this right here. All right, so there we go. Click display categories. So as you can see, they're being displayed statically right now. So let's go ahead and try to loop through. All right, so if we just go right here, add for each. All right, so let's cut this. All right, so if we just go right here, categories, as category. All right, so let's copy this right here. And if we will go ID, copy. So this will simply be just name, like that. All right, and we're gonna leave the rest as it is for now. These are simply the update and delete buttons. So you just save this, and if we refresh, we should actually get our own categories, which are programming and design right here. So yeah, this will be all, and I will see you on the next one.